Today on Knightline, Driver Appreciation Week 2023, a new truck maintenance schedule, and the results of this year's Truck-a-Thon. I'm Megan Phillips for Knightline. Driver Appreciation Week is just around the corner. Join us September 11th through 15th at any of our terminals. There will be free food, games, and prizes. Here in Phoenix, we'll have a carnival-themed event, and it's going to be a great time. So stop in if you're able, and if you can't, there will be opportunities for you to participate and win prizes virtually. Stay tuned on the Driver Hub and get hyped. Less hype, but still important. Attention all night drivers, effective immediately, we are observing a new schedule for A and B preventative maintenance services. B service will be set at 70,000 miles and a mandatory A service at 35,000 miles. PMs will no longer be rounded at intervals, they will be calculated from the previous B service. This change is to optimize the efficiency and lifespan of your tractors. And if you have any questions, be sure to contact the maintenance team. For the 2023 Truck-a-Thon, we raised over $50,000 collectively between Knight and Swift. Throughout the month of July, our terminals and departments have come together to host events and to raise funds for their local CMN hospitals. Barbecues, dunk tanks, ice cream sales, raffles, and cornhole tournaments have not only brought joy to our workplace, but have also served a higher purpose. The money from these events will help save children's lives. A special shout out to the teams who raised the most money: the Phoenix Terminal, Knight Logistics, Facilities, the Memphis Terminal, and People Development. Thank you to everyone who donated. We're already looking forward to next year. That horn means it's time to enter the speed zone. Backs flying in at 65 miles per hour. We just hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. If you're following us, thanks. And if you're not, what's wrong with you? Follow us at Drive Night and help us get to 1 million or 1,200. What's a realistic goal? Have you heard? The Knight Driver Hub is live. This is a valuable resource providing our drivers with important company news, resources, information on pay and bonus opportunities, Knight media, all that jazz. It is updated every single truckin' day. Check it out. The goal for the fuel efficiency bonus in the month of August is 7 miles per gallon. If you're looking for tips on how to increase your fuel efficiency, we made a video on that. You can find it on the Knight Driver Hub. The Phoenix Police Department awarded Knight with the Certificate of Appreciation. We work with Phoenix PD every Thanksgiving to deliver turkeys to St. Mary's Food Bank. Here's to delivering more birds. Congrats to our new million milers. Each of these drivers have worked so hard and accomplished so much. Thank you for doing what you do, and thank you for your dedication. And finally, wait, what's going on? What is this? Is this a brand new live stream series in which we'll be talking about different trucking topics and take questions from viewers? Stay tuned. And finally, congrats to our highest performing terminals for the month of June. Our highest performing large terminal was Memphis, and the highest performing small terminal was Kansas City. Whether you're on the road or in the office, it's a team effort. Nice job to everyone from those terminals. Are you subscribed to Knight Transportation on YouTube? If not, what are you waiting for? Get notifications for these videos and all of our latest stories. And check us out on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok so you can keep up to date with everything we do. I'm Megan Phillips for the latest in all news Knight. This has been Knightline. Good night and good truck.